Hello, Jared Monroe here with Dale Howard Auto Center in Iowa Falls. Here to show this 2018 Buick Cascada. It's in this great white color with a black leather interior. It's got the black top as well. These wheels really set this thing off as well. I mean, it is absolutely gorgeous. Coming around to check this thing out. This thing is in great shape. Does have the rear backup sensors along with the backup camera in it. This thing is sharp, definitely a real head turner. Coming on in here to the driver's seat, we do have the power seat, power mirrors, power windows. We got heated steering wheel, heated seats, along with a forward collision alert, lane departure warning, navigation, all the good stuff. Plus that nice little accent color as well too, underneath the shifter and then also in the doors. Let's go ahead and fire this thing up. This has got right about 23,563 miles on it. Does have the bi-xenon headlamps with the turning option. Let's go ahead and drop the top, shall we? All the windows come down, there goes the top. And just like that. That is how you drop the top. Real easy and simple, takes a couple seconds. This thing is sharp. Give me a call. My number here is 641-316-1526. Thank you and talk to you soon.